Mike, many congratulations. Massive 3 points.
It is a big 3 points. I actually thought the game as well was very entertaining, especially from a neutral point of view. Obviously kept myself on our toes as well, but the biggest thing about this was collecting the 3 points, no matter how we done that. But I thought we'd done it in a really, really good professional way as well. We created a lot of opportunities and we had to defend really well as well at certain times in the game.
Especially after they came back into it, you showed your character there.
We did, yeah. And we actually caught them a couple of times on the break, which could have led to another goal. And obviously we've had 2 chalked off as well. So all in all, in each unit, in each department, the way the lads have prepared themselves over the Christmas period as well just goes to show it puts us in a really good position, and we're collecting 3 points. We're made up about that.
And those 3 points take you to 30, level with Caernarfon. 2 big games ahead.
2 massive games ahead. All that game does is just gives us another 3 points to our objective, which is staying in the Welsh Prem, something obviously that Colwyn Bay didn't manage to do last time they came up. So that's the way we're doing it. We're doing it in little chunks, and the next chunk is Flint at home, which we're looking forward to, being back in front of our fans.
Rich, dod ddim I fod heddiw?
Wel, da ni'n deud yna, ond eto dwi'n teimlo gathon ni 2 jans yn y 9 munud gyntaf yna, a ddylsa ni wedi bod 2-0 up. Mae moments o mewn gêm yn masif, so ni wedi cymryd yn chances efo yna. Dwi'n meddwl sy'n gêm hollol wahanol. A wedyn ni, maen nhw'n dda yn be maen nhw'n neud, rhoi pewin y bocs a competio am hynna. Chwarae teg o'n i, dwi'n meddwl bod nhw wedi defendio am ei bwyd heddiw. Ond dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi gadael ta 3-4 gol allan yna, sy'n frustrating ochr ni, a wedyn, no meant to be.
Unwaith ydych chi ddol i 2 gol i 1, oedd y momentum hefo chi, siomedig bod chi'n gwneud mwy o hynny?
Oedden ni'n bach yn panic oedd mewn y final third lle, da ni angen bach mwy o composure efo yna, a gwneud y penderfyniad iawn lle. Ond na fo, not our day.
Tasa chi di ennill heddiw, fysa chi di sicrhau'ch lle yn y 6 ucha. Doedd hi ddim i fod, mae yna 2 gêm bwysig o'ch blaen chi.
Oes, a dyna oedd yr negas o'n yn ystafell newid ydy, mae rhaid i fynd i bawau ennill o'n, mor syml yna. Gathon ni opportunity i wneud o fama yn y byffwynt, nathon ni ddim opportunity arall heddiw, so rhaid ni peidio bod y tîm o sori dros yn yna, dust ourselves down a mynd eto.
Jamie, 3 points, but what a huge 3 points.
Yeah, absolutely massive. You know, the race is really heating up for the top 6, and we knew today was going to be a huge game, and Caernarfon are a very good team, so to get the 3 points is massive for us.
Is that the biggest win of the season, you'd say?
Yeah, you'd say so. I mean, every game now is probably the biggest game of the season, so to get 3 points today, it's massive. I'm buzzing with it.
And the goal, you do not score simple, easy goals, Jamie Cumming.
Don't know about that, yeah, but we take them today, so Merry Christmas.
Take us through the goal.
I think it's as Edwards is stepping in there. I mean, he was filling in the back 3 today, and we worked then on training as stepping in on the ball because we know he's got that in his locker. And thankfully it fell to me, and you know, when it's rolling to you like that, I just thought I'll hit it and hope for the best, and luckily it went in the top corner, so we take it. Did
you know the minute it hit your foot it was going in?
I had an idea when I hit it that it had a chance, but you know, Connor in goals, a brilliant goalkeeper, isn't he? So when it hit the back of the net, I was buzzing. Yeah.